Welcome to a quick overview of Lombardi Blueprint. Blueprint helps you get more people involved in process improvement in four main ways. First, it's delivered entirely through a browser. There's no software to install or servers to maintain. Second, you don't need to be a process expert to get started. Anyone can jump in and start documenting. Third, Blueprint is a collaborative environment organized around a central repository where all process-related assets are housed. And finally, it's easy to get information in and out of Blueprint. Let's take a more detailed look. As I mentioned, Lombardi Blueprint is designed so that anyone can dive in and start documenting processes. Getting started is as easy as creating a bulleted list, which you can then rearrange through simple drag and drop. Details such as participants and owners are added to pop-up windows, where you can also add attachments. This high-level map has all the advantages of a sticky note session, with none of the transcribing. Once you get your map filled out, to see this information depicted as a flow diagram, simply select the Process Discovery view and the diagram is automatically generated for you, swim lanes and all. This flow view, unlike a Visio diagram, can then be simply updated and modified on the fly. So you can also do all your sophisticated workflow modeling in Blueprint as well. The third face of Blueprint is a documentation view. Since all these views are linked, a change to one updates the other two. One of the greatest advantages of Blueprint is that it is a collaborative product with a centralized repository. When you log on to the Blueprint homepage, much like Facebook or LinkedIn, you're able to see immediately who has made a change or commented on a process that you're involved with. Additionally, when you start working on a process, multiple users can view or contribute to that process simultaneously and see updates as they happen. Version control is automatic whenever a user saves a process change. This ensures change control and audit trails. An instant messaging feature allows for online conversations during collaboration. When you want to get your data out, you can publish it as a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, or a PowerPoint presentation, all at the push of a button. You can even export it in BPDM for execution in a BPM suite like Lombardi Teamworks. And in case you're wondering what to do with all those old Visio diagrams you've already created, simply import them into Blueprint and you can manipulate and update them as needed. So far, I've been showing you the author version of Blueprint, where a user can create and modify a process. There is also a participant version for Blueprint for those people who won't be creating or modifying diagrams, but whose first-hand knowledge of a process is important to capture in the form of feedback or comments. Once a process has been shared by an author, a participant can view it and add comments and suggestions. The feedback then appears as numbers attached to the corresponding step. That concludes our quick tour. To try Blueprint for yourself, sign up for a free 30-day trial account today. Remember, process improvement is everybody's business.